YouTube moment. Film takes apart. Film takes apart radio, put radio back together, take apart radio again, put radio back together, broke the radio, then got the radio to work, about to break it again. See what? She just tossing it around side to side. Look. She just beating on shit. And she think it's gonna work again when she put that top on there. That shit ain't gonna work. Tell me what you think, YouTube. Don't say fuck YouTube. Hey, man. That's dumb. You see how she's trying to me? That's fucked up. Hell no. Slam. Slam. Let's send this shit to YouTube.